In this video, we're going to take the front cover off a top-load washer and put it through a stress test using bowling balls to unbalance the tub. An unbalanced washing machine tub is loud and annoying, but it can also cause real damage to your washer. Too much stress on shock-absorbing parts can cause them to break, bend, or snap. Here you can see a massive difference in movement between a properly balanced load of laundry and a severely unbalanced load. Now the fun part. Let's put a few washers through our stress test and see just what it looks like when your tub goes from balanced to severely unbalanced. When properly running a load of laundry, there shouldn't be a ton of side-to-side movement from the tub. But let's add a slight imbalance with this 3-pound bowling ball. Already, we can see a visible shake. A more moderate 6-pound imbalance really gets the washer tub moving around. And with a severe imbalance of 12 pounds or more, these washing machines are doomed.